we're in the Abba hotel, and there's like some really fancy music playing for some reason. From there. I don't know why, it just makes it feel very liminal. Anyway. We've got some Otis elevators here. Oh, Otis Gen2. Is that so?
Hola, hola. Es totalmente distinto. Es totalmente distinto. O sea, regularmente el peruano es ese tamaño. El estándar. La mujer es
Pues
aquí.
nosotros en Iberia ahora somos 5 peruanos.
Oh, mira.
O 6.
Y
Hay una
todos.
que es mezclada. Mi peruana brasileña, pero es súper blanca.
Mira. Ah, pero puede ser, ¿ah?
Guapa la chica.
Puede ser, puede ser.
That's a ThyssenKrupp step module phone. And we're stopping. Just for funsies, I guess. This is from, oh, come on, focus. 2003. Yeah, that does sound like Gen 2, although a very worn out one. Wait. Some posh Christmas music now. Quickly, there is a service car right here. Let's see it. Probably a Gen 2. Hey, what do you... Wait, what? Hold on. I have to investigate that. That's interesting. Let's see here. We will investigate that momentarily. Some prankster scratched the indicator. All right then.